Alright, so I bought these, go in these saddlebags so that you can keep tools or screwdrivers or cell phone, wallet, whatever you want in there. I thought they might be handy to keep some of my stuff organized in the saddlebags on Amazon. I think they're around 20 bucks. I'll try to leave a link in the description. Pretty easy install, but we'll walk through it right quick just to show you what they look like installed. The back side of them, they have Velcro. I have to clean the bag and stick that Velcro to it, and that'll keep them from flopping. And then they mount here and here to the saddlebag mounts. I'm going to go ahead and clean the inside of the saddlebag where the Velcro will stick. Just a little bit of glass cleaner. You can use alcohol or whatever you want. There's a left and a right. You can see the way the back tapers that this is going to be this side. Take the screws out. So hold on to the bag. Put the screw back through. Same in the back. Not going to tighten them up all the way just yet because I want to be able to take the Velcro strips off and stick those. To get those off, I got to take this loose, peel, and peel. And so pull it tight. Pull it tight. There it goes. But we're going to try them out. Maybe make a little toolkit out of them, something like that. There's one. It's going to be the same process on this side. Take the screw out. Hold it. The backing has got some hard plastic to it. Hopefully, over time, it'll stretch and form a little bit better. Take this one back loose. Of course, if I ever need to completely fill the bags up, it's pretty simple to take these out and get them out of the way. My plan is to use this as a toolkit, keep some pliers, a couple screwdrivers, anything I might need in case of a breakdown. Which is funny because it's a 2025 model. But it's already left me stranded. So just do what I can to prevent being stranded in the future. Get you in the bag here. Let's see what it looks like. Got this elastic. This would be good. Maybe put a pocket knife. There's a clip. There's a zipper pocket here. Can't fit much in there, but something. This, if you got a little phone charger or something, you pop it in there. It's got a pocket there. It's got a large zipper pocket here if you want to put a tire plug kit or something there. Another one there. Pretty good size. Another little pocket here. Really doesn't take up much room in the bag. We'll see how much room it takes up once we get a few things in the bags.